Yeah, it's always good to have you in the stream, SJVT. You're like an inspiration, and anybody who goes onto your channel is learning something. And not just learning something, but they're doing it with humor, with grace, with just, I don't know, compassion. I feel your good vibes.
I'm gonna ask you to leave because I don't want to be on film. Capiche?
No, attorney, Wednesdays or Thursdays.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm just looking around. This is open to the public, right?
Of course.
Awesome. So this is a law library.
This is the law library.
You work here?
I don't, but I'm helping the law librarian.
Okay. So like, for instance, if I have questions with something, you might be able to help me?
Yeah, a law librarian could show you books about the topic that you want to investigate. There's actually a lawyer here who will give free legal advice.
Let me ask you something. Why are people so in a hurry to go pay money for a lawyer when they can come in here and do everything themselves and get help with questions?
I'm a lawyer. And because he can't represent you in court.
You can, right.
So
we can represent ourselves, right?
He can fill out the paperwork.
Right.
Help you fill out the paperwork. But his services are limited.
Right.
In my opinion.
You know what's odd about that is there's actually nobody in here right now.
Oh, actually, there's.
Oh, is there?
Been all morning very busy.
Okay.
He's talking to someone right now.
Oh, okay.
But he also is limited. He can't do criminal because there's a free lawyer for people, the public defender.
Right, public defender.
And there's other few things he can't do, like probate. You know, so.
Wow.
It's a really great resource, and I wish more people used it.
Right. So what?
Computers and almost everything's online now.
What we do is we go out and record in public accessible areas, and a lot of times we get arrested, our rights get violated, First Amendment rights and everything, right? So we're trying to educate people.
Oh yeah.
And I'm also trying to show people through my channel. I have over 100,000 subscribers. I want people to learn and understand that they can actually use these law library places.
They know where they're going.
So we want to make
the
sure
only
that
thing is if someone was here and they didn't want to be filmed,
right.
That would be my only.
Right. Well, as long as it's public accessible, they're in public, so there's no expectation of privacy in public.
See.
So there's a lot of things that we don't even know ourselves, right? You're a lawyer, you should know this. You know what I mean? It's crazy,
well,
right?
Expectation of privacy. I mean, they're here to see a lawyer, though.
Right.
That's a little bit different.
They'd have to go into a private area, a private room if they wanted to have a private conversation.
Well, which is what they do.
Right, exactly.
Okay, there she is. She's the real law lawyer.
Well, what was your name, sir?
Mark.
David. So nice to meet you, man. Thank you. Very helpful.
Luck.
Very informative. Thank you.
Who designed this place?
Printer's pretty old.
Okay, come here. I'll show you.
I'm going to come outside, guys, because I don't want to talk inside there. But look, pay attention. Into Film. Shout out to Into Film. You guys need to go inside these places and you guys need to ask questions. Go ahead. My bad.
I was wondering why you guys are filming.
Oh, I'm trying to teach the public how to use the law library. Very important.
I'm the law librarian. So
Are you the law librarian? Well, can I? Mind if I get your name?
My name's Chris. Christina Robertson. Are we filming?
Yes.
You have to ask for my permission to do so.
No, we don't, ma'am. You work for the public.
Outside, gentlemen. I'm not having any cameras in here.
Oh, ma'am. This is open to the public.
Out. I'm going to ask you to leave because I don't want to be on film. Capiche?
Ma'am, did you want to go get a job at the private sector?
I need you to go out. We'll call the bailiff right now.
That's fine. He's already seen us. We already talked to him. We've been all up inside the buildings. You guys don't understand that this is actually allowed. And I'm sorry, you have to get educated this way.
I'm not giving you my permission.
But ma'am, you work for the public.
I'm not giving you my permission.
You can leave your badge and go home and apply in the private sector, ma'am. Have a good day.
See, now she went into a private office.
Now she went to a private office. Now she doesn't want to help the public. But let me go back outside and finish what I was saying. I still don't want to disrupt this place, and I had to educate her. But listen, Listen, guys. You need to go into these places and ask questions. These people are supposed to help you. Go in there and start fighting your own cases. We live in the age of information where we need to share this information with each other. What works for us and what doesn't. How we can fight these criminal cases in court. They hire police officers right out of high school. And some of them police officers right out of high school are 30, 40 years old. And they have to go to a 6-month academy. And they're given this this book to read. And this book, it talks about laws and how they can arrest you and what they can charge you with. But you're the one that's going to need to pay a lot of money for an attorney to fight your case. And that attorney has to go to school for a long time. But we live in the age of information where we need to be sharing the information of how to fight and how to combat what's going on in the system that's designed for you to fail and for these places to keep getting federal funding. This place is getting federal funding. It's time that we use these places. Thank you, guys. Peace out. A shout out to Nate Skates, who's with me. Thank you, guys.
Hey, SJVT, San Joaquin Valley's in the building, you guys. Go check them out. SJVT, go learn something, some education on the law, on your rights. Never forget, you guys matter. Nilson, especially you millennials that are younger, I made mistakes too. Invictus says, hey, SJVT. Yeah, it's always good to have you in the stream, SJVT. You're like an inspiration, and anybody who goes onto your channel is learning something. And not just learning something, but they're doing it with humor, with grace, with just, I don't know, compassion. I feel your good vibes.